What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason. Let's hop in this video. Make it short and simple. We're going to update the headlights and taillights on the Subaru. So first things first, pop them 4 clips off. Pop the clips that run down here on both sides and get the front bumper off. So let's make that happen. Okay guys, got all the clips out, and if you got the model with the fog lights, we got to unhook those too. So that's all done. Get ready to pop the bumper off. Alrighty, bumper is off. So the next thing we got to do, start unscrewing the headlights. Alright ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's the tail light, I believe that's the headlight, so let's open them up and see. Alright, looks like it's packaged pretty neat. Trying to keep everything safe during shipping. Let's see what we got. Woohoo! It's gonna look good. Too bad it was the wrong one on top, so I have to dig out to get the driver's side, but that's gonna look so nice. Woohoo! I definitely think it's an upgrade. The old, the new. I definitely think it's gonna give it a little bit more modern look, bring the 2012 WRX into 2026, and look super good doing it. All right, we got the driver's side in. Look at the difference. I love it. Let's turn the lights on so you guys can check out the difference between the two. Got the DRL, little C, regular low beam on. See the difference? Looks so good. We'll hit the highs and the turn signals too. Check them out. There's the high beam difference. Dude, I love it. It looks so good. And there's a difference in the turn signals. DRL becomes a turn signal over here. I love it. It looks so good. Okay, so essentially, once you've done the bumper part I was talking about, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. I only have 3 because that's the way it was when I bought it. So we put them back. You take those 3 out, you unplug your light, and it's pretty simple. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I think it's a great little upgrade for the Subaru. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat everything on that side and check back in with you guys.
A few moments later.
There we go. Looks so good. Close the hood and see how it looks. Yes sir, yes ma'am. That's the jam. Let's take a break from the action to talk about today's partner, Auto One LED. They're your one-stop shop for all your automotive lighting needs, from your headlights to your taillights. They got you covered, as well as tire inflators and jump packs, and the combination of the two. And right now, if you enter my code, PROJECTFLAT4, at checkout, you'll save 15% at AutoOneLED.com. You'll save 15% by entering PROJECTFLAT4. Thank you for supporting the brands that support us. That's the best way to help the channel. Now, back to the show. Alright, time to move on to the trunk. First things first, we'll shed some light on the situation. Then you'll pop out at least this clip, maybe those 2, enough just to fold back the carpet to get access to the taillights. So let's get started on that. Alright, we took out just the one little pop clip, and it looks like all we'll have to do, which I've already done, is disconnect the power wire that feeds the, and then pop off 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and we should be game on. Let's find out. Alright ladies and gentlemen, first stock taillight out, and like I said, it's just these 4 bolts to hold it in, and you gotta do a little prying because this one's been in there, you know, since 2012. So out with the old, in with the new. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we got the first taillight out. Here's the new one. So like super sharp. Definitely going to help modernize the WRX, bring it into 2026. Look at them old crusty things. I think I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna take them to work, polish them out, and they'll be on Marketplace if anybody's looking for a solidly good set of stock style headlights. Anyway, so with this, the headlights come, they were plug and play. Literally, they come with bulbs and everything. You just pop them out, put them in. This, you gotta steal the harness. You gotta steal this harness. So I think I'm gonna try to get a pick or a small screwdriver in here to get this harness out, and then you transfer all the bulbs over to the new one, and then this will plug into this. So we're gonna try to make that happen really quick, and we'll be back. Wish me luck. All right, ladies and gentlemen, finally got this thing out. Had to fight it for a minute. So what I ended up doing was just taking this here screwdriver and putting it in right here and pulling up on it. That's how I was able to make it happen. So let's go ahead and get this swapped from here to there. All right, now that this is out, you'll take this bulb out right here, and then that's what'll plug into that part. And the rest of it just goes back in there like normal, so you can hook it up. Let's get to it. All right, so now, like I said, you take that bulb out of what will be your brake light. You plug in that adapter, just tuck the wire in there, and it looks like your reverse light and turn signal flip-flop from factory, because it looked like the small one was down here and the big one here. On this one, the small one is up top and this is on the bottom. And I gotta figure out where we're gonna mount this guy. It looks like it needs to be mounted away from this unit. So let's go put it in and see what we can figure out. Well, before we install the new unit, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. I mean, how often do you have your taillights out? Might as well take the opportunity. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Ollie. Let's compare the new to the old. I think it looks so good. I think it looks really good. Ollie's getting sleepy, so I gotta go put him to bed, and then we'll be back to do this one.
Later that same evening.
All right, so we got the passenger side tail light out. Going to grab the new one out of the box. Steal the harness like we did from the last one, and get it put back in there. Let's get this thing wrapped up, guys. I'm ready to hit the bed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got them both put in here. Got the beautiful assistant up front. Going to hit the brakes for me. Okay. Hit the turn, flip the key. All right, hit the other turn signal. Awesome. Put it in reverse. Boom. Now, flip on the lights. All right. I like it. Now, let off the brakes. All right, just the brake lights on. This looks good. All right, well, let's get this button back up, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes! That's awesome! Yes!
Ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it was super simple, super short, but I think it made a world of a difference. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, peace.